Ready.
1, 2, 3.
Hi, I'm Simi Pasha, and you're watching a Headlines Today initiative where we bring you positive stories of hope, courage, and human triumph. First up, the story of a man whose crusade against drunken driving has forced the Punjab and Haryana High Court to ban the sale of alcohol on highways in the two states. Harman Sidhu is a paraplegic who runs Road Safety NGO, and he has been an agent of change. Manaman Singh China with his story.
Confined to a wheelchair and paralyzed neck down, road accident survivor Harman Sidhu did not let his disability pin him down. Instead, he started an NGO called Arrive Safe to deal with problems of road safety and drunk driving in the country. And one of his pet projects was to get rid of liquor vends located conveniently along the highways of Punjab and Haryana, tempting road users to drive under the influence.
If we see the scenario in our country, probably we are the only nation where the liquor is so easily available along the highways. So this is something which incites the road users to stop over and have a drink and then drive along. So this is why I started thinking on these lines that why don't we first of all start working on getting these liquor shops removed.
Harman Sidhu decided to take the judicial route to achieve his objective, and after 2 years of battling it out in court, it seems Harman's perseverance has finally been rewarded.
We collected information through the RTI and then filed a PIL in the court, and the latest directions from the High Court are very positive, in which the Honorable Court has mentioned that the next policy for the year 14-15, before it gets implemented, they have to show it to the court, and it should be very clearly mentioned that there would be no liquor shops along the highways.
While Punjab agreed to reframe the liquor policy, Haryana has tried to evade possible closure of vends by framing its liquor policy for 2 years. Despite such reluctance, Harman Sidhu is quite sure he will not give up his struggle to ensure that the highways in this part of the country remain free from the nuisance of drunk driving.
Sustained efforts by Harman Sidhu over a period of 2 years have finally yielded results, and hundreds of liquor vends in Punjab and Haryana situated along the roadside will finally have to be moved from the coming financial year. A massive accomplishment indeed for a one-man brigade.
Now to a story of a group of 20 women who proved how through sheer hard work and determination